Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Virtually. Today we will discuss some of the basic concepts of macroeconomics. Firstly, let us take the consumption good. Consumption goods are the goods that are directly used and consumed by the individuals or households to satisfy their immediate needs and wants. So these goods are typically used for personal enjoyment, daily living, or as final product. Now let us take the classification of consumption goods. There are different types of consumer goods. Firstly, the durable goods. So durable goods are those goods which have a longer lifespan, typically lasting for an extended period. So these goods are tangible and often require a significant one-time investment. Now, for example, we can cite the names of automobiles, the home appliance, furnitures. These are some of the examples of durable consumption goods. Similarly, we do have another category of consumption good. So those are non-durable goods. So non-durable goods or the products have a shorter lifespan as compared to the durable commodity, and they are typically consumed or used up relatively quickly. These goods are often replenished on a regular basis. For example, we can take food and beverages, clothing and footwear, toiletries and personal care products. So these are some examples of non-durable commodities. Now let's take the second category of good, capital goods. So capital goods or producer good are tangible assets used by the businessman or the business organizations in the production of goods and services. So these items are considered for long-term investment. So capital goods are distinct from consumption goods because they are not directly consumed or used up by the end users, but facilitate the production process and contribute to economic growth. Now, capital goods also have some categories. It may be divided in some different categories. Firstly, machinery and equipment. In this category, some of the goods like industrial robots, assembly line machinery, construction machinery, these fall into these categories. Secondly, buildings and factories. So factories, warehouse, office buildings come under this category. Thirdly, transportation vehicle. So commercial aircraft, cargo ships, trucks, and freight trains are in this category. Fourthly, technology and software, servers and data centers, enterprise softwares, communication infrastructure, all these fall in this category. Now, we do have another category of good, that is final good. We often say about the final good. Actually, final goods are similar to the consumer, you can say the consumer good. So final goods are also known as consumer goods. These goods are the goods that have reached the end of the production chain and are intended for consumption or used by the end consumer. So these goods are purchased by the individuals or the households for the personal satisfaction, and they are not used in the production of other commodities or other goods. Similar to the consumption good, we do have two different categories of final goods, that is durable final commodity or durable consumer goods, or non-durable final commodity, final goods, or non-durable consumer goods. So exactly these two goods are similar, alternatively used one for another. Then intermediate goods. Intermediate goods, also known as producer goods, and these are the products used in the production process, but they are not used by the used as final output. They are not the final output. They are the goods and services that are used as inputs or raw materials in production of other goods and services. So we may definitely say that the intermediate goods are in between the primary product and final product. That means It is in between the raw materials and the final output. So let's take some of the examples of intermediate commodities or intermediate goods: raw materials, components, and semi-finished goods. Now let's take the difference between final product and intermediate product, or final goods and intermediate goods. Firstly, final goods are intended for direct consumption, while the intermediate goods are used in the production of other goods or services. Secondly, final goods are consumed by the households, while the intermediate goods are consumed in the production process by the businessman. Thirdly, final goods have a direct impact on the quality of life of an individual, whereas intermediate goods are used up in the production process and do not have a direct impact on the end users. And fourthly, final goods are sold in the consumer market, while the intermediate goods are often sold between businessmen as a part of production chain. So these are some of the basic concepts of goods, or regarding goods we can say these are the basic concepts of macroeconomics. So friends, I'd like to make a request to you: do like and subscribe our videos to get more future similar videos. Thank you.